Running a business is hard. The endless paperwork, the constant stress, and the never-ending to-do lists can be overwhelming. It's a jungle out there. The competition is fierce, and the market is unpredictable. You need every advantage you can get. Strategic planning and smart decisions are crucial. Technology can be a lifesaver. It streamlines operations and boosts productivity. But which tech is right? With so many options, it's easy to feel lost. Software as a service, or SaaS, is the answer. It offers flexibility and scalability. SaaS gives you powerful tools. These tools can transform your business operations. You don't need to own them. No hefty upfront costs or maintenance worries. You just pay for what you use. It's cost-effective and efficient. It's like renting a Ferrari instead of buying one. You get top performance without the long-term commitment. But many SaaS platforms are clunky. They're hard to use and can be frustrating. They don't talk to each other. Integration issues can be a major headache. They're a pain in the backside, frankly. They can slow you down instead of speeding you up. What businesses really need is a SaaS solution that's powerful, simple, and affordable. One that integrates seamlessly. A solution that just works. It should make your life easier, not harder. But before we dive in, please remember to subscribe, like, and subscribe below. Thanks. Enter Onpassive, a name that is set to redefine the tech landscape. This is not just another tech company, it's a visionary force. It's a revolution in the making, transforming how businesses operate. Onpassive has developed a game-changing SaaS platform that is set to disrupt the industry. It's designed to empower businesses of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises. This platform is powered by cutting-edge artificial intelligence, or AI, making it incredibly efficient. It's like having a team of experts working for you 24/7, ensuring your business runs smoothly. Onpassive does the heavy lifting, automating complex processes and saving you valuable time. You can focus on what you do best, running your business and achieving your goals. The beauty of Onpassive is its simplicity and elegance. You don't need to be a tech whiz to use it. It's designed for everyone. It's intuitive, user-friendly, and designed for everyone, making technology accessible to all. So, what makes Onpassive so special? What sets it apart from the rest of the competition in the market? Let's lift the bonnet and have a look under the hood to see what makes this platform truly unique. Onpassive comes loaded with features you won't find anywhere else. It's a comprehensive suite designed to meet all your business needs. Marketing automation. Say goodbye to tedious tasks. Imagine having all your repetitive marketing tasks handled automatically. Onpassive automates your marketing efforts. It finds customers for you. It nurtures leads efficiently. It boosts your sales effortlessly. Business intelligence. Get real-time insights into your business. Understand your data like never before. Onpassive gives you the data you need. Make informed decisions that drive your business forward. Stay ahead of the competition. With Onpassive, you're always a step ahead. Customer Relationship Management, or CRM. Keep your customers happy and satisfied. Onpassive helps you manage relationships seamlessly, provide amazing service, build loyalty that lasts a lifetime. And the best part? Onpassive is constantly evolving. It's always getting better. They're adding new features all the time. Your business will never be outdated. It's like having a car that upgrades itself. Always improving, always innovating. Real-world results. Onpassive in action. Don't just take my word for it. Businesses are already seeing incredible results with Onpassive. Small businesses are finding new customers and growing faster than ever. Large enterprises are streamlining operations and boosting their bottom line. Entrepreneurs are turning their dreams into reality with Onpassive's powerful tools. The results speak for themselves. Onpassive is a game changer. It's a level playing field. It gives everyone a shot at success. The future is now Onpassive's impact on work. Onpassive is not just changing businesses, it's changing the way we work. This is the future of work and it's exciting. With Onpassive, you can work from anywhere. You can have more flexibility. You can achieve a better work-life balance. This platform empowers individuals. It creates opportunities. It allows people to reach their full potential. The traditional 9 to 5 is becoming a thing of the past. Onpassive is leading the way to a brighter future of work. Buckle up. Onpassive is just getting started. This is just the beginning for Onpassive. They are revving their engines, they are ready to take the world by storm. This platform has the potential to revolutionize every industry. It's a tidal wave of change, and it's only going to get bigger. So if you're a business owner, pay attention. Onpassive is your ticket to success. Get on board or get left behind. The future is here, and it's powered by Onpassive. For more information about Onpassive, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a wonderful day.